Central Plain, southwestern Kingfisher, northern Caddo and northern Canadian counties. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, national weather will be sent as the weather situation evolves through the evening. The following is...
But Emily Sutton's looking at a storm there west of Okarche. Let's check in with her now live. Emily?
Hi, Mike. Kind of looking off to the northwest. We did see a lowering here, and what could have been possibly a, I don't know if it's a brief funnel. I don't know if that would quite match the radar, but definitely seeing a shelf cloud, and we definitely saw something come from the lowering. So it could have been a brief little funnel cloud trying to come out of this lowering, maybe a brief spin up in the tail end of the storm. This is the Kingfisher storm that we're looking towards. And then if we actually pan to our southwest, you can actually see our next storm behind that. And the middle storm looks like it's starting to merge with the one Dillard's on. So lots of dangerous clouds with lightning, and whatever that funnel was back up, it's not there anymore. We just have that lowering. So we'll be watching this closely as these storms head this way.
Emily, there is a pretty good area of rotation, pretty strong. The one you're looking at right now, due west-southwest of Okarche, where you thought you might have seen that possible funnel cloud right there, I can confirm there is some rotation right there. So that would be northwest of Calumet and west-southwest of Okarche. Now, I'd like to go back to Mike Bennett. We have Mike Bennett on this storm up by Hennessy. There's so many of these. As long as we can keep them all competing with one another, big hail, yes, definitely. But it's going to be difficult to get too many of these to develop significant rotation. So far, that has been the case. The ones that have a little bit of breathing room are developing rotation.
Velocity presentation right now around McLeod and Dale. I would expect some damaging winds in those areas, even if you don't get a tornado. That's out on the leading edge of the storm. Let me switch over to the intensities, and you can see how it wraps up all the way into there. So it's a pretty wild-looking storm structure here on the east side, and then we have the well-defined hook echo that's on the east side of Norman with a tornado vortex signature, and that's basically on top of Lake Thunderbird, pretty close to it, and that is located 2 miles. Well, about a mile north of Highway 9, right
toward Tecumseh and Macomb. So if it maintains itself, if the low-level jet starts feeding it, you guys could end up with a large tornado. So continue the tornado precautions, Pink, Macomb.